So now we will create a subclass of demo1 and try to access all these variables: public, protected, default and private. And we know that we can access only these three: public, protected and default. Private cannot be accessed from subclass. Okay, so let us create a new class, name it demo2, and it will extend demo1. Okay, so now demo2 class is a subclass of demo1. Now let us try to access here. So public void print okay, let us create new variables. So public y1 equal x1 okay, and I will copy it 4 times: y2, y3, y4 to x3, x4. So what exactly I am doing? I am trying to access all the values of superclass and access it to new variables, right? So this x1, the value of x1 of superclass, I want to assign to the variable y1. Okay, but see, on this fourth one, it is throwing an error. And what is the error? The field demo1.export is not visible. And why is it is not visible? Because it is of private access modifier. Okay, but when we are accessing within same class, yes, it is visible. Okay, so at last we wrote that all types of modifiers can be accessed in same class. Okay, but when you are accessing from a subclass, then you cannot access private class within same package. And within same package, when you are accessing from a non-subclass, then also you cannot access it. Okay, now let us comment this one and let us create a new object of demo2. So I will copy all these lines and paste it to save time. So I am creating a new object of demo2 class and I will try to print its values y1, y2 and y3. Okay, now let us run this. So yes, I can access it. Okay, means we know that we can access public, protected and default data type within subclass. Okay, then next we will try to access these things from a subclass of different package, not the same one. And definitely we will see that public and protected can be accessible, but default and private cannot. Okay, so let's see.